She was pregnant, not weak, but tired, not hopeless, but afraid. Every morning she smiled for the world and carried fear inside her heart. A new life was growing inside her, but questions were growing faster. How will I manage? How will I survive? What if I fail? Her mother stood beside her, with love, with care. But sometimes, love alone is not enough. When the house slept, her worries stayed awake. Bills on the table, silence in the room, fear in her heart. Dreams don't die suddenly, they fade slowly, with every unpaid bill and every silent tear. And then, something unexpected appeared. Not magic, not a miracle, but a possibility. AI, a simple tool, quiet, powerful, waiting for someone to believe in it. You don't need money, you don't need experience, you only need consistency and courage. For the first time, she didn't feel helpless, she felt capable. While the world slept, she learned, she practiced, she failed and tried again. Every late night, every tired breath was for the life growing inside her. She wasn't chasing money, she was building freedom. And then, one small notification changed everything. It wasn't a big amount, but it was proof that she could do it. Tears turned into smiles, fear turned into faith, and hope finally felt real. That night, she slept without fear. I didn't change your life, I only showed you the way. You walked the path yourself. Tools don't replace people, they empower them. She was no longer afraid. She was ready to be a mother, ready to be strong. AI didn't take her future, AI helped her build one. If she can change her life, from home, with a phone, using AI, then you can too. This is not just her story, this is yours. Welcome to AI Hustle Lab. Learn AI, build hustle, change life.